So, ayun, ito yung lab 2 and 3 ng prelim. So, first activity which is the salary computation. So, tawag dito. Dito sa salary computation na to is nahati tungkol na to sa tatlong session, which is the variable, computation, and the output. So, ito yung variable, kinukuha natin yung name nila, salary, and the OTRs. Tapos yung OT, default siya by 150. So, kumbaga, every 1 OTR is equivalent to 150. Kumbaga, tatagdag siya sa sahod mo. So, yun, ito yung computation, gross salary plus OT plus OTRs times OT. So, yun, kunwari, 2 oras ka nag-OT, di may 300 ka. Tapos may sahod mo, 30,000. Tapos, yun, di magiging 30,300. Tapos yun, sa tax, may 0.12. So, kumbaga may 12%. So, yun. Tapos sa minute naman, binabawas yung tax. Then, doon mapupunta yung then, ayun na. Magkakaroon tayo output. Wala tayo ng dalawang. So, ayan. Renzo. 30,000. 2 hours. Ayan. Our gross is 30,300. Then, dito naman sa your net is binawas na yung tax. So, yan. Move on to dito next. So, ito ginagawa na ito is tinatotal niya lang yung lahat ng card. Like, kunwari. Try natin ha. Ito. Cup 2. 300. The next product, which is mug. 3. 150. Next product is ball pen. 5. 70. 850. Then yan, ang ginagawa niya, sinasummarize na yung cart. Ito yung output. So, by the code is ginagawa na ito is lang ulit, tatlong session, which is which is input or the variable, then the computation and the output. Ito yung output, ito yung computation. Then next, tayo sa the report. So, ginagawa natin sa the report is in-average niya yung tatlong grade mo. Like, kunwari, try natin. Session, this IT, Y1-2. So, mag-i-input tayo ng tatlong grades. Kunwari, ito. 95, 97, and 92. Then, ayan, gina-complete niya. So, ayan lang for the lab 2 and 3. Thank you.